Every morning, I wake up to the peaceful sounds of the ocean. I step outside and collect. I collect natural herbs, mix them together to make my own skincare. Sitting quiet.
This is the best fish I've ever made.
It really is. Come on, let's get in the water before sunset.
Today was perfect.
Remember when you splashed me?
How could I forget? This is even better, though.
The morning light fills our island home as we wake up side.